Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So I want to actually show you a candlestick known as TWEEZER bottom, because right now what we have for BONK at the moment is something known as a TWEEZER bottom. So it looks something like that, and if I zoom in into the image, you may actually notice that you have a red and a green next to it. So it actually, when they compare to one another, they look like this. It actually forms in a tweezer bottom. So you can see so many images out there right now. This one also has another example right there. So there are some few variations. We can actually see this one as another variation as well. So um, you can actually just come and try to learn everything about the tweezer bottom on Google, of course. Now this one is actually the favorite one, which you can see on the right side. So if you go into the bonk video, you can actually see that tweezer bottom has pretty much been printed out there. So if you have that red candlestick right over here and then the green candlestick as well, these two are tweezer bottom, and especially they are being formed right next to the support level, because this was your some sort of resistance here. You broke above, you have it right there. Now there are chances where you can still take the stop loss from the tweezer bottom and finally go to the upside, because it's a human nature just to put the stop loss right next to the to the candles itself. And nowadays, maybe before it used to work, or maybe it did work in stock and forex, but crypto is crazy manipulated. They actually like to take stops next to those things. So I think the best stop is actually going to be at 1862, instead of having stop losses anywhere here or here either, or even here as well. There could be chances where you just wick it out and then go to the upside. So stop losses are meant to stop your loss. So there's a difference between hunting and having a proper stop. If you're just putting it here and you get hunted out just to go up, it doesn't make sense, because there is room for hunting and then go to the upside. So to put it here, it actually means that you're giving your trade the breathing room to play out, instead of actually making things so tight, because you don't want to lose too much money, and then you eventually get stopped out, it goes up, and then you end up frustrated. So that's all for this video. Hopefully we go up, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.